If you have a farm of shellfish, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shellfish farm business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shellfish farm business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically work to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. I will enter a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly Shellfish Farm. And with that, they have given me 3 action buttons: place an order, check availability and need help. Let's click on check availability. As soon as I have clicked on check availability, I got a message about the stock available with their pricing. And with that, they have also mentioned 2 action button, menu and place an order. Let's click on place an order to place our order. Now they want to know few details of mine, like type of shellfish I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy oysters. I will enter that. Now they want to know about the quantity. I will enter 2 kg. Now they want to know about the delivery date. I will enter that. After that, they want address. I will enter my address. As soon as I have provided every single detail, they responded me with a thank you message and they confirm that their team will contact me for further details. And with that, they have provided me a menu button. Let's click on the menu button. As soon as I have clicked on the menu button, I got the initial message again. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much better and fun. That too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. You have to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, there is contact section where you can create new contacts and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. And by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, there is flow section. It is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Below that, there is AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box as well. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option. and you will be redirected to the flow builder page. To make a new flow, you need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you will click on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Now to build a flow, first you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for Shellfish Business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your shellfish farm business. Now, after giving a meaningful name, we need to know about main 3 features which are given on the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to enter my welcome message. To enter my welcome message, I will click on Add Content button and select the text button. Over here, I will enter my message which says, "Welcome to Pabli Shellfish Farm, fresh from the sea to your door. What would you like to do today?" And with that, I'm going to provide 3 action button. To provide action button, I will click on Add Button option and enter my message. Place a order. For my next action button, again I'm going to click on Add Button option and enter my message. Check availability. And for my third action button, I will enter Need Help. For each action button, I want to send a separate message. For that, let's start with place an order. To place an order for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I will drag and drop ask question button and connect with my action button, which is place an order. Here, I'm going to enter my message in which I will mention that, "Let's take your order. Please reply with the following type of shellfish." Over here, I'm going to select my contact custom field as type and format as any. Now, after knowing type of fish they want, I want to know about the quantity. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my previous question. Over here, I will enter my message. Please reply quantity in kg or quote. After that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as quantity and format as any. Now, after knowing the quantity, I want to know the delivery date they wanted to book their order. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please reply preferred delivery date. And here I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and format as any. Now, after knowing the date, last thing I want to know about the address. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my previous question. Don't forget to connect each and every question with each other. Over here, I'm going to enter my message. Please reply delivery address. For that, again, I'm going to select my contact custom field as address and format as any. Now, you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that, you need to first save your flow and come with me to the settings section. Here you can see an option is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on that, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now, I will resume back to my flow. After that, I will provide a confirmation message to my customer that their order has been confirmed. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Thank you, your order has been received. Our team will confirm and share the invoice shortly. Here you can see I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message on my chatbot. After entering my message, I will add an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, which means as soon as my customer click on this message, they will get initial message again. After that, as we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is check availability. For this action button, I need to update my customer about the availability of our stocks. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will enter all the available and stock out items. This message should be an updated message on a daily basis. Like I have mentioned that today fresh stock available, oyster in stock, prawns limited, crabs out of stock, lobster in stock. And with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu and place a order. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect place an order with our initial question that we have put recently for place an order, like this. Now let's move to our last action button, which is need help. For need help, I'm again going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Need help with your order or stock? Our support team is here to help and will call you shortly. Our basic waiting time is 10 to 15 minutes. And with that also, I'm going to add menu button, and even I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, like this. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for shellfish farm business using Pabbly Chatflow. On to our last step. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.